So I've had a few minutes to spare. It's a beautiful Saturday. The process was I've got to get a tyre onto an old split rim to clean it up. So I've given it a bit of a brush. It's a 3-piece. It's come up really nice. I've just put some phosphate on it, rust killer. Just given it one coat on that. I've given the ring and the pin or the outer ring cleans up as well. Come up pretty good. Obviously they're not brand new. Have to replace this wheel. It's a matter of the core of the valve was completely stuffed and it's not holding air, and this thing just spins. I've put a video up of it before. So we're going to be changing that over once we get this nice original tyre on. We're only going to be putting about 25-30 psi in it. Don't want any surprises from the rim giving way. So we've changed the valve in this side. We've got about 25 psi in it. It's staying up beautifully. That's as much as I need just to get traction to drive it forward. And we'll give all these wheels a clean and new rubber. We'll change their boots. For the time being, that's all I need. Just got to get it further up towards that shed. Find about 5 good strong men to help us drag the turntable off, and we start really getting stuck into it. Alright, so that's Richie's garage for the time being. Sorry, it's been a while, been very busy. At Christmas time it gets a bit quiet, so that's what we're doing. Keep you updated. Have a very merry Christmas. Oh, and a good new year.